Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI. Welcome to our favorite new play yard for our 1-year-old. This is the Pop and Go Playpen from the California Beach Company, and it's awesome. Our 1-year-old is constantly on the go and he gets into everything. So this playpen is exactly what we need.
It's so fast and easy to set up. It really does pop up. And it has these reinforcing rods to go along the edges. So if the kids can reach this height, when they're hanging on it, it's nice and strong and they can't pull it down. This is the difference between with the rod and without the rod. It's a lot better. My son's pretty tall for his age, and as you can see, he can't even reach the top. So they've got a long time to play in this before they're too big. And as you can see, you can never really be too big because he's playing with his grandpa in it right here and they both fit just fine. It's great for bringing to my parents' place because he can't get into anything and he just plays in there with all his toys because there's so much space. It's super easy to take down too. You just take it apart like an umbrella and it flops right down. And then you fold it all up and it goes really small into this compact bag. And it even comes with pegs for sand and the ground for when you can use it outside. We're still snow covered here where we are, but I can't wait for the summertime to use this awesome sun canopy shade because it protects the babies from the sun so you don't have to worry about them getting burnt.
There's so much space for playing in this play yard and extra room for adults even, and it's so easy to put together and take apart. It's going to be your favorite play yard ever. And that's my point of view.